All right, heading on to more markets now. See the crypto market there. We're still seeing Bitcoin ranging, at this time. Let's take a look at the color on the market there. We see it's mostly red, at this point. If you look at the color in the market, it's deep red, yeah. Bitcoin, 43,000, down from about $46,000 with that Bitcoin spot ETF, announced the approval, even though we got that hoax approval before that, and we're seeing Bitcoin reacting to that price movement. Ethereum was doing much better before at about $2,600, but it's down about 1.21%. BNB is also down 2.37%. So this might be a sell the news kind of arrangement or impact we're seeing at the market there after the Bitcoin spot ETF approval in the U.S. Let's bring in Element Damble now, strategist there, a financial market analyst. Great to have you, Element.
Oh, hey, Lottie, as always. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, so finally we got that Bitcoin spot ETF approval last week, but it seems like the market is in a sell the news kind of limbo at this time. What are the charts showing you?
Yeah, no, exactly. As you said, there was a lot of anticipation ahead of the approval. And of course, after the approval, the markets are now somewhat consolidating, a lot of take profits there. Yeah, looking at the chart long term, I think after we saw Bitcoin attempt to cross over and did to a degree cross over that 47,000 level, that historically has been a huge long-term resistance level. So you are seeing a lot of earlier bulls taking profit and looking for shelter at that level. So I think once we do see that level breached is when we will probably start to move closer to 50K.
Right, looking at this week now, for the weekly chart, are you seeing some kind of critical support, for Bitcoin?
Yeah, I think you're looking around the 41, and to be honest, if we do have a more relatively bearish week, you could potentially even see this fall to around 37K. So yeah, the range looks to be between 37 and where we are now. It does look like a lot of historical selling action has taken place at this level as well. So I wouldn't be surprised if we end a week at 37K should bearish momentum intensify.
At what price level should we be looking at to get an indicator for 37,000?
Yeah, I think, again, you're looking at below 40K. So at the moment, it's just hovering above. But you have to pay more close attention to the RSI rather than the actual price. The volume at the moment in terms of relative strength index on the 14 days, currently around 67. A floor is at 65. So if it starts to plunge below that 65 floor on the RSI of 14 days is when you will probably see an increase in bearish sentiment.
All right, there you have it. Thank you so much, Element Damble, financial market analyst.
Cheers. Thank you so much.
Right, so you heard it from Element. If 40K doesn't hold for Bitcoin, then 37,000 might be the next level. But that's not financial advice. Let's look at the gainers counter now this morning. Let's see who's topping the chart there. For the top gainers, we see ton there. That has to do with Telegram. That's up about 10.27%. So we still have some double-digit gains this morning. FTT is also on the gainers counter, $3.14, up 6.08%. Let's look at the top losers this morning. We see Optimism. That's had quite a great run this time. $3.54, having a big pullback, 7.10% after rising about 100%. We see Bonk there. That's one of the meme coins. That's down 6.02%. So we're seeing profit taking right there in the market. That's the show today. Thank you so much.